Guys, Mikul here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the August Smart Lock Pro. So it also has a connect in it. So this one is a smart lock which replaces your existing deadbolt for your front door, and so like you don't have, so you can just like control it from your phone and give people access to it without you need to give them a key or anything. You can just give them a thing in the app which just lets them open it for like a certain period of time. So which is really convenient, and it's replacing existing replaces the front part of your existing deadbolt, and then yeah, I can get this out. So there are a bunch of other smart locks out there, and they each have their own benefits. Like for example, there's the Scalage smart lock, is also the Nextel smart lock, which they're all different, but you have to replace the entire lock. While this one you can just replace the one side of it, and then then that's all you have to do. So let's open it up. So you have the smart lock connect. It's stuck in there. Never get it out. So it just plugs into the wall, and probably just for connecting it. And then you have, which is actually like decently heavy. So if you just, batteries are already in there. So here's like the batteries, and then the back of it. So I guess, and also it comes with it doesn't come with, but you can always buy this optional keypad which you can install outside, which gives where you can just enter a passcode and it'll open. And also here's the comparison of all of the different smart locks, so you can also check that out if you want. So the link will be in the description for that one that I just showed you. So here's welcome guide to begin, setup, down terms and conditions. Don't even know what the sticky stuff is for. And we also have the mounting bracket and then screws for it, obviously, because you need to screw it in. So here's that and that. So I guess that's it. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.